Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can capture the chic viral style of Sabrina Carpenter's Espresso inspired outfits for the runway in DTI. So this look will be perfect for a pop star or a brown aesthetic theme, and this look is that good and guaranteed to win. Now let's just get started. So first, I'm going to tell you the hair that I use for Sabrina look. So here I'm using this wavy hair combined with this hair in here. I don't know what is this called. And also the bangs from this updo. And here's the hex code that I use for the hair. And next, I'm going to just put on the accessory for the hair. First, this headband in here. Change the color to black and toggle it into type 2 combined with this ribbon in here, this bow, also in type 3, and change the color into black. Here you can use some adjustment. And now for the dress, let me put on the earring first. I'm going to change all the color to white. Now let's make the outfits. First, you're going to put on the skirt in black, and I'm going to use light silk, and then put on this dress but to leads into top, and here change the color all to black, and that's it. Now you'll get this classic vintage retro beach style in the Espresso MV. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next one.